Hello, good day, viewers. Someone sent me this question through my business WhatsApp account. He said that we should make R the subject of this relationship. P equal to RE squared divided by R plus B whole squared. Already you can see that P is the subject here. We're going to transform it in terms of R. All right, let's get started. First of all, I would like to cross multiply. So P multiplied by the denominator. So P multiplied by the denominator R plus B squared. This will be equal to RE squared. Then let us expand this. This is binomial R plus B squared. That will be what? First term squared, then plus 2 multiplied by the first term multiplied by the second term, then plus second term squared, that is B squared. And we can take this one to the left. It becomes negative RE squared, and everything will be equal to 0. Now let us distribute P inside. Our main goal is to make R the subject, remember? So P times R squared, that would be P R squared, plus P times this will give us 2P RB, then plus P times B squared, that is PB squared, then minus RE squared. This is equal to 0. Okay, you can see that we have R here and we have R here. So let us bring them together. We have P R squared, then plus 2P RB, then minus RE squared, then plus PB squared. This is equal to 0. Now we're going to factor out R from these two terms. We have P R squared plus, if you isolate R here, you have 2PB, right? Minus, we have E squared here left, E squared, whole multiplied by R. Then we have PB squared, everything equal to 0. What can you see here? It is nothing but a quadratic equation in terms of R. So it's like solving for R. Remember that the leading coefficient is always denoted by A, and we have it here as P. So A is equal to P. B is always the coefficient of the middle term, and coefficient of R would be 2PB minus E squared. And the constant C would be PB squared. Remember our formula will be what? Minus B plus or minus into square root of B squared minus 4AC divided by 2A. So all we have to do is to plug in A, B, C into this relationship. So what will be the R? R will be equal to minus B, minus the whole of this, right? So we have minus the whole of 2B PB minus E squared, that is minus B, then plus or minus into square root of B squared, that is 2PB minus E squared whole squared, that is B squared, minus 4 times A is P, 4AC, then C is PB squared. Already we have another P here, so the P will be squared, then B squared. Everything divide by what? 2A, but A is P, remember. So we have just make R the subject, but if you so wish, you can further simplify it, but no one asks you to simplify this. We are only told to make R the subject, and since we cannot see R in any of these terms to the right hand side, we have successfully isolated R to the left hand side. Hence R is now the subject. But notwithstanding, I can further break it down because I can see difference of two squares here. So we have R to be equal to minus 2PB minus E squared plus or minus into square root of Can you see that this is nothing but 2pb all squared? That is 2pb whole squared. Yes, because if you expand this, you're going to get this back. We have 2pb minus e squared whole squared, then minus 2pb whole squared. This is exactly what we have under the square root. Divide by 2p. This is equal to minus 2pb minus e squared plus or minus into square root of, we have 2pb minus e squared, then minus the other one minus 2pb, then we multiply again 2pb minus e squared, but this time around we add 2pb, and hence we have just factorized what is under the square root, all divided by 2p. You can see that this will cancel this, and if you add this and this, you are going to get 4 quantities. So let us write it. This is equal to minus 2pb minus e squared plus or minus into square root of, we have only negative e squared here, negative e squared multiplied by 4pb minus e squared. The whole of this divided by 2p. If you like, you can expand again. So this becomes negative 2pb minus e squared plus or minus into square root of negative e squared times negative e squared. That will give us positive e to the power of 4, then minus 4pb e squared divided by 2p. Well, I think we can leave it like this, but remember I told you can simply stop from here, right from here, because you have isolated r already. So I just decided to further break it down. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.